Hi, welcome to the Eastern Shore MarketWatch, brought to you by RBI, Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. We're going to dig into the most recent numbers from the Eastern Shore housing market, which includes the counties of Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. Let's jump right in. Economic recovery loses steam. Housing demand in a slump. Tax credit leaves mess in its wake. We're bombarded with headlines like these every single day. Some have merit, some don't. The truth is, the economy is currently driving the housing market and not vice versa. In their latest effort to resist sweeping national trends, local pending sales posted no change from July 2009 to remain at 222 purchase agreements signed. With several regions around the country suffering from 40% declines in buyer activity, that's not the case on the Eastern Shore, which continues to hold its own. Inventory levels did increase by 4.5% as active listings stepped up to 3,930 units. Prices had no choice but to respond unfavorably, which likely reflects the mix of homes that closed during the month. The July median sales price of $231,000 was a 7.6% decrease from last year at this time. Negotiations continue to move back toward the seller's favor. The July percent of original list price received at sale increased an even 2% to land at 89.8% of original list price. Typically, the housing sector generates a number of corresponding construction, manufacturing, and other skilled labor jobs, which in turn fuels economic growth. These jobs then return the favor by lowering unemployment and creating new demand for housing. And then there is now. Job churn simply must fill the demand gap formed by the tax credit before buyer activity returns to the market. The Fed's August 10th announcement that it will be purchasing Treasury bonds is a clear indication it wants to maintain interest rates at historic lows, an important driver of purchase activity moving forward. To sum up, the housing market is really trying to hold its ground until the job situation improves. Only after widespread private sector hiring will demand be restored to the market and prices continue to stabilize. Until then, it's a hurry up and wait game. That's the Eastern Shore Market Watch for this month. Tune in next month for the latest.